3 methods to write Standard Operating Procedures, SOP. 1. Step-by-step procedural writing. Use this method if the number of steps in a Standard Operating Procedure, SOP, is less than 7 and no decision-making is necessary to execute each step. For example, the SOP for leaving a building after 5 p.m. 1. Shut down all lights and heaters before you leave. 2. Turn on the alarm switch from off to on position. 3. Open the door, get out, and close it from outside. 4. Lock the door with Key A34R. 2. Graphic block writing. Use this method if the number of steps in a Standard Operating Procedure, SOP, is more than 7 but not a lot of decision-making is necessary to execute most of the steps. For example, the SOP for writing a book on the history of underground utility tunnels. (3) Drawing a flowchart. Use this method if the number of steps in a Standard Operating Procedure, SOP, is less than 7. For example, the SOP for milking the cows properly at a dairy farm. See an excellent article on SOP, http://centor.vri.cz/news/pril-771.pdf. The rectangles represent actions to be taken. Rectangles with raggedy bottom represent recording and data collection steps. The diamonds are decision points with at least 2 paths, for example, yes and no. Thanks for watching. tcc6.com